Before we move to 16th note practice, let's review about quarter note and eighth note combinations. Here's the sheet music. The rhythm pattern was coming from our previous class. I start playing with 4 beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next, let's have fun. This is another sheet music. The rhythm pattern is the same as just now you listened. And this time you have the melody. So enjoy playing the melody and learning the rhythm. Here is the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the melody, you enjoy learning the rhythm more, right? So like just now you watched, play the rhythm with one single note first. And after that, play the melody. Playing the rhythm pattern first with one single note helps you when you play the music. Hope this trick helps you. Thank you.